The word Himachal is a combination of the Sanskrit words Hima and Achal, which means snow and lap respectively. It is no coincidence that the state is located on the lap of Himalayas. Himachal Pradesh became a union territory on 1st of November 1956. On 18th of December 1970, the State of Himachal Pradesh Act was passed by the Parliament, and the new state came into being on 25th of January 1970. Let's learn a bit more about this wonderful state.
History of Himachal. It is believed that the civilization flourished in the present-day area of Himachal 4,000 years ago during the period of Indus Valley civilization. Himachal is known as the land of God. The state is mentioned in many ancient Hindu texts and is home to several religious points of interest. Locals from each village have their own distinct customs and ties in their cultural rich state. The people in Malana believe that they have the oldest democracy in the world and interestingly, it has own set of Greek resembling beliefs and ways.
ഹിമാചൽ പ്രദേശ് ഇന്ത്യയുടെ വടക്കൻ ഭാഗത്തുള്ള 18ാം സംസ്ഥാനമാണ്. പടിഞ്ഞാറൻ ഹിമാലയൻ താഴ്വരയിൽ വ്യാപിച്ചു കിടക്കുന്ന ഈ ചെറു സംസ്ഥാനം നിരവധി കൊടുമുടികൾ നീർന്നതും ഒട്ടേറെ നദികളും ഉത്ഭവസ്ഥാനവും കൂടിയാണ്. ഹിമാചൽ പ്രദേശ് വടക്കൻ ഭാഗത്ത് കേന്ദ്രഭരണ പ്രദേശങ്ങളുമായി ജമ്മു കാശ്മീർ, ലഡാക്ക്, പടിഞ്ഞാറ് പഞ്ചാബ്, തെക്കു പടിഞ്ഞാറ് ഹരിയാന, തെക്കു ഉത്തരാഖണ്ഡ്, ഉത്തർപ്രദേശ് എന്നിവയുമായി അതിർത്തി പങ്കിടുന്നു. കിഴക്കു ഭാഗത്ത് ചൈനയുടെ നിയന്ത്രണത്തിനുള്ള ടിബറ്റ് സ്വയംഭരണ പ്രദേശവുമായി സംസ്ഥാനത്തിന് അതിർത്തിയുണ്ട്. ഷിംലയാണ് തലസ്ഥാനം. ഷിംല, കുലു, മണാലി എന്നിവ ഹിമാചൽ പ്രദേശിലെ പ്രസിദ്ധമായ വിനോദസഞ്ചാര കേന്ദ്രമാണ്.
Hi friends, shall we go on a short trip to the environment and geography of Himachal Pradesh? Himachal Pradesh is a state that lies between the lower Himalayan range and is a cultural cocktail and heaven for nature lovers. Its area is about 55,678 square kilometers, in which 67% is covered with forests and is home to 33 wildlife sanctuaries and 2 national parks. Its capital, Shimla, is popularly known as the Queen of Hills. It was once the summer capital of the British India. This city is named after the Hindu goddess Shamala Devi. It is a famous tourist attractive place. Himachal Pradesh is known as the apple state of India because of its large-scale production of fruits. Indian cedar or Himalayan cedar is a tree symbol of Himachal Pradesh. Snow leopard is the state animal and the western travertine is the state bird of Himachal Pradesh. Himachal Pradesh has emerged as the third best state for overall development and performance. Thank you.
Today I'm going to take you all through arts, craft and culture of Himachal Pradesh. Among arts and crafts that come out of Himachal Pradesh are carpets, leatherworks, shawl, metalware, woodwork and painting. Weaving, carving, painting or sizzling is considered to be the part of the life of Himachalis. Pashmina shawl is the product which is highly demanded not only in Himachal but all over the country. Colorful Himachal caps are also famous artworks of the people. Dom, a tribe in Himachal Pradesh, is expert in manufacturing bamboo items like boxes, sofas, chairs, baskets and racks. Metalware of the state includes utensils, ritualistic vessels, idols, gold, silver and jewelry. Culture of Himachal Pradesh. The principal languages in Himachal Pradesh are Hindi, Pahari. Dressings. As per the traditional dressings norm, the dress of the Brahmin male includes dhoti, kurta, coat, waistcoat, turban and a hand towel, while that of Rajput male consists of tight-fitting churdars, pajamas, a long coat and a starched turban. Dances are vital parts of tribal life. It reflects the culture and tradition of Himachal Pradesh. Nati is the famous dance of the place and it is the largest folk dance. It's also listed in the Guinness World Record book as the largest folk dance. Himachal Pradesh also has many other dance forms like Channa Cham, Janata. Songs of Himachal Pradesh. Local music and dance reflects the culture identity of the state. Through their dance and music, they entreat their goods during local festival and other special occasions. Several prominent Indian celebrities belong to Himachal Pradesh are Ganga Ranaut, Preeti Zinta, Yami Gautam, Anupam Kher, Mohit Chauhan. Sports person belong to Himachal Pradesh who represent India are Shamish Jung shooting, Anupam Jung for shooting, Deepak Thakur for hockey, Suman Radwar for athletics, Ajay Thakur for hockey and Vijay Kumar for shooting. Kullu Dashera is 7-day festival for Himachal which is started by the 7th century king Jata Singh.
नमस्ते, आप खोए हुए लगते हो। Pourriez-vous m'aider? मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा है कि आप क्या बोल रहे हो। Pourriez-vous m'aider? क्या आप फ्रांस से हो? Oui, आप यही रुको, मैं जल्दी आता हूँ। मैं इस फ्रेंच इंग्लिश बुक के साथ वापस आया हूँ। Depuis combien de temps êtes-vous ici? Je suis ici depuis 2 jours. Où voulez-vous aller? Je voudrais savoir où les où. Ah, d'accord. Vous devez aller tout droit, puis aller à droite, et dire au chauffeur où il vous y conduira. D'accord, merci beaucoup. आपका शुक्रिया.
Himachal Pradesh is a state in the northern part of India. Himachal Pradesh is governed through a parliamentary system of representative democracy. Universal suffrage is granted to residents. What is universal suffrage? Right to vote all citizens. The legislature consists of elected members and speakers and deputy speakers. The judiciary is composed of the Himachal Pradesh High Court and system of lower court. The governor is the head of the state appointed to the President of India. The capital of Himachal Pradesh is Shimla. In Shimla it's summer and Dharmshala it's winter. As per 2011 census, the population in the state of 16,56,509. There are 16 assembly seats in Himachal Pradesh, and there are 4 Lok Sabha seats and members of Rajya Sabha seat is 3.
Good day to all. Today I am going to speak about the tourism of Himachal Pradesh. What makes Himachal Pradesh so attractive for tourists? The development. As for the development, poverty levels of Himachal Pradesh witnessed a steep fall from 85.5% in 1993 to 8.5% 2011. Himachal Pradesh is the third best state for performance and overall development. Himachal Pradesh is home to 17,000 educational institutes, including 2 medical colleges, 1 university and 1 engineering college. There are 9 hydroelectric power plants. The literacy rate refers to reading and writing in any language. Himachal Pradesh, with a rate of 87.79%, the 11th highest state in India. On 2nd October 2009, Himachal Pradesh imposed a complete ban of non-biodegradable polythene bags. Usage, sale, production and distribution are banned under law. According to the southern state Kerala, Himachal Pradesh is the least corrupt state in India. The tourist can enjoy a leisurely holiday without being worrying of overcharge. The beauty of Himachal Pradesh attracts many, but the sincerity and the local adds the visitor's experience. In 2013, Himachal Pradesh was declared to be the first smoke-free state in India. The state passed a law of prohibit smoking in public spaces. The infrastructure of Himachal Pradesh. The Manali Leh of Himachal Pradesh is the national highway motorable road in the world. In summer, the motor enthusiasts flood in summer for the picturesque landscape. Himachal Pradesh is home to 3 airports: the Barhati Airport near Shimla, Buntar Airport near Kallu, and Jambar Airport near Kangra.
On the banks of the Parvati River lies a beautiful hamlet of Kasol, more popularly known as Little Israel. This stunning landscape of snow-capped mountains, lush valleys, and scenic waterfalls make it a paradise for nature lovers and trekkers. The Ki Gompa Monastery or the Ki Monastery is also a must-visit place. It is a Tibetan Buddhist monastery located in the Spiti Valley of Himachal Pradesh, close to the Spiti River. It is also the biggest monastery in the Spiti Valley. Located in Kulu, the Great Himalayan National Park is recognized as a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The park is spread across of nearly 1,200 square kilometers, accommodating a vast variety of flora and fauna. Himachal's capital, Shimla, is home to Asia's oldest and South Asia's only natural ice skating rink. Himachal Pradesh is also home to the highest cricket ground in the world. Built in 1891, the Chelkatka ground, which is located 8,018 feet above sea level in Chel, Himachal Pradesh, is famed to be the highest cricket ground in the world. The Shigri Glacier, located in the area of Lahore Spiti, is the largest glacier in Himachal Pradesh. As of 2016, it is extending to 27.7 kilometers and covers over 126.45 square kilometers. Among India's greenest states, Himachal Pradesh has a staggering 37,033 square kilometers of forest area, which makes 66.52% of the total land area. The town of Ajmer is widely known as the mini Switzerland, owing to its alluring natural beauty. The hill station is 6,500 feet above sea level and is surrounded by meadows and forests. The state of Himachal Pradesh consists of many famed sites and monuments, which I think we all should see at least once in our life.
I hope you all enjoyed this wonderful presentation about this wonderful state, Himachal Pradesh. Thank you.